Scratched and entangled she ran through a thick-leafed jungle with a porous undercover, a little higher than a wild animal, a fretting prey. But it was not her blood that was sought, for as she scrambled, she spied over shoulder a celestial light flickering through the holes in the canopy. As she ran, for all she'd ever known was the land, and she loved it so dearly. Salt burning the surrounding cactus in a cup half full, half drunk, with something immeasurable within. She stood, shaking, and boarded a ship, her ship with white sails, the only one she had ever known. Hey, whoa, my wele wele, oh, my yele. My yele yele, oh, my yele, promasi, no, 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 romambra pasaya, no, no, no.
Hvala lepa.